Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. On Sunday, September 5th, one of our very talented choir members, Martha Hildred, will be leading the worship musically. For the prelude, she's going to play on the viola several verses of the famous hymn, Shall We Gather at the River? That's going to relate directly to the special music that we'll be listening to Martha sing and play on the guitar. If you don't know that music talks about a couple who are about ready to die, but they reassure each other that they won't go into heaven. They'll be waiting on the far side banks of the Jordan, waiting for them to gather together. And whoever it is, either the man or the woman, will be sitting on the far side banks of the Jordan, drawing in the sand, making pictures in the sand. Then together they will enter the heavenly gates. And the last hymn, the last music of the day is going to be, of course, the postlude. And we're going to try something that we tried a few weeks ago. We're going to have the congregation sit for the postlude, but this time they're going to join in the singing of a piece called Down to the River to Pray. Now, Martha's going to sing the verses, and we'll all sing the chorus. And just in case you forgot how the chorus goes, we'll be singing the chorus first, or we'll remind you how it goes, and then we'll start the piece. Now, most of you know this as being from a movie called Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? This was, I think, around 2000. This came out. If you remember the scene, everybody's dressed in white, walking down to the river to be baptized. Let's listen to a little bit of that. I have the actual movie film right here.
Let's go down, let's go down, come on down. Come on, brothers, let's go down, down in the river to pray. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear a starry crown, good Lord, show me the way. Oh, fathers, let's go down.
That is one of the most moving movies I've seen in a long, long time. So please join us on Sunday, September 5th, St. Paul Lutheran Church, Sarasota, Florida. You can watch us on YouTube or Facebook, or better still, come live and join in with the singing, the praise, and the praying. Amen.